To create a program using if, elif, and else, you first need to understand that these are used for decision making in Python. You start by writing an if statement to check the first condition. If that condition is true, the code under it will run. If it's not true, Python moves to the elif, which means else if. To test another condition, if that condition is also false, Python goes to the else part, which runs when none of the conditions above are true. For example, in a grade checking program, you can ask the user to input their score, and then use if, elif, and else to decide what grade they will get. The if checks if the score is 90 or above, elif checks if it is between 80 and 89, and else handles all over the scores below 80. This way, your program can make different choices depending on the user's input. So this is the code example. Number 1, hashtag program to check student's grade. This is a comment, it's not part of the code, it is just explains what the program does. Number 2, score equals int. Input, enter your score. This line asks the user to type their score. Input, enter your score lets the user type a number. Int, open parenthesis close, changes the input into an integer, a whole number. The value is stored in the variable name scored. If score greater than equals 90 colon, this checks if the score is 90 or higher. If true, it prints you got an A. Excellent work. Elif score greater than equals 80, else if this runs only if the first condition was false. If the score is 80 to 89, it prints you got a B. Good job. Elif score greater than 70 checks if the score is 7 to 79. It prints you got a keep improving. Elif score greater than equals 60 colon checks if the score is 60 to 69. It prints you got a D. You passed but study harder. Else, this runs when none of the above conditions are true. That means the score is below 60. It prints you got a better luck next time.